Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Sunday, January 18th, 2026. I got a good one today. Had a really good week, very busy, like every minute was packed full, but it was good. There was so much good stuff happening, and one email triggered this whole thing, this whole line of thought. And I'm going to talk about why you don't have a chance. You do not have a chance. It's going to be a good one. Let's go. Why on earth, on a recovery coaching podcast episode, would I say you don't have a chance? You don't. And it's all about opportunity. And this whole thing was keyed off an email that I received from a brilliant person that does not miss opportunity. I know she doesn't. There's no way. And she said, when the opportunity presents itself, we will work together on this project. We'll make up a project when the opportunity presents itself. I thought about that. Very excited. I think this is, whatever we end up doing is going to be epic because I've got a great team on this side. She does on that side. I think we can do a lot of good things and help a lot of good people. Where I started this podcast or got the idea of what I'm going to do with that opportunity presents itself. I thought about that all damn day yesterday. All day. And it really got me going. Opportunity does not present itself. Not in my mind. Opportunity exists. It's already there. It's right there. So the opportunity exists. What it's doing is waiting for someone to act. It's there. Now, it's going to take a little bit of different, looks. It's going to take some more investigation. Sometimes it takes a little bit more effort, more work to find that opportunity. Now, what am I talking about when I say opportunity? Anything. Anything that you seek, anything you're after, any goals you want to achieve, the opportunity exists. It's waiting for you to act. In my personal life, could I have found recovery sooner? Was the opportunity there for me to find recovery sooner? Yes. Was I willing to act? No. I didn't stand a chance. I did not stand a chance until I made the decision to act and embrace that opportunity. There was nothing good going to happen. Do I wish I would have embraced it sooner? Yes. Did I? No. Am I glad I did when I did? Yeah, you bet. What's the saying? When's the best time to plant a tree? 20 years ago. When's the second best time to plant a tree? Today. So there's my example. I've got others too we'll talk about here in a second, but think about that. Could I have done this earlier? Yep. The opportunity was there. It was there. It didn't present itself when I decided to act on it. It didn't present itself like, hey, this is a good chance. You think you should take this opportunity? No. It was always there. I just didn't choose to act on it. So this opportunity thing could be anything that you're thinking of. You could be, starting off the year on a health kick or trying to eat healthier, feel better, do more exercise. Maybe you've got a business goal you want to achieve. All those things are the same as my opportunity for recovery. Same. This coaching thing isn't specific to recovery. I'm starting to learn that more and more. What are you going to do this year? What are you going to do tomorrow? What are you going to do today? What is the opportunity you're going to act on? Now, there's a couple things I want you to think about. Think about all the variables that have to line up for this opportunity that's sitting out there. It is waiting for you. Think of the variables that have to line up. The people you've met, the business contacts you've met, maybe some clergy, maybe some friendships, maybe some conversations that happen randomly that all of a sudden, like mine, this Saturday email, when the opportunity presents itself, boom. That lit the fire on something else I've been working on too. You got to be present to recognize what's waiting there for you. But think about all the things that have to line up. The people, the places, the conversations, the thoughts in your head. The universe has it all right there. It's all right there for you to take, act. I think that's pretty much where I've been stumbling for the last 6 months, basically, but I think we're going to get there a lot faster now. One of the things I have really wanted to accomplish is this next book, and it's dragging out way longer than it should. It's not fun to write. It's not, like my buddy Hank says, it's not about cutting the grass and lighting fireworks. That's still a book title that's going to happen one day. But all the stuff that I've written about recovery, grief, it's difficult stuff. It's important, and it's worthwhile and rewarding, And the opportunity to help others exists if I act. But every time I sit down to write, my pen goes blank, the paper just stares at me, and I just give up way too quickly. I'm not going to do that anymore. The opportunity is there. I just cannot wait. I need to act and get it done. Now, the next piece of this thing, this next piece of this puzzle, one of my other favorite parts, I'm really jazzed up about this whole thing. This has been a fantastic week, and I needed it. Gave the chamber talk in Alpena, and that just really got my juices flowing again. It was so good to see so many people. Met up with a guy that used to work for my dad. He sat at the table with me. It was fun. And just that interaction outside of the office was so good. The important part of that is that alignment, that universe alignment, or if you're religious, it's a God alignment, whatever puts it out there. Maybe it's random, however you think about it. That's not the important part. The important part is there is an alignment out there. People and things are put into place for you. I say universe, whatever. But there are definitely forces at work waiting for you to act. So as I was rolling in this excitement and sharing it with some other folks, one of the people that I've met in my travels of work and career, I was talking to her about the book and what I really would like to do. Here's where I want to be at the end of 2026. She's like, I want in. I want to help. And if this person does jump on, and I know she will, she doesn't say stuff like that unless she means it. If she jumps on and takes control of this thing, I will succeed. I will get the goal. I want to be a bestseller someday. Why not today? Why not this year? Why not 2026 with a book that's really important to me? Maybe it can help a lot of people and we can do a lot of good things. When she said, yeah, I'll take it. I'll help you, but I get to be your publicist. I'm like, of course you do. That opportunity was there. It took years to construct and be kind of pushed in front of my face until all of a sudden I'm like, yeah, how about this? Let's do this. And lo and behold, suddenly I got a chance. Before, where I had no chance. I mean, I could just write it, finish it, publish it, get it done. Nah, that's not the right way. Let's make it really good. Let's bring in people way smarter than me that have way better skill sets for what I need. And all of a sudden the opportunity is there. All I had to do was act. I went from having no chance to having all the chances. Opportunity. I'm going to say that word until you get sick of it because I want you to be burned in your brain and I want you to understand how important it is. It's there. It exists. You need to act. One of the things I try to be careful of, and I've been not admonished, but said, holy cow, maybe back it down a notch, Chowen. That's plenty. Don't Tony Robbins this bitch. And I think I might be doing that here, but I am revved up. And I want you to really think carefully. Carefully think about what I'm saying here. Think of all the things that have to be in alignment in order for this opportunity to be available. It exists. The people, places, things, all those things have to be right there. They're there. You have to grab it. I have to grab it. I've been sitting on my ass, not getting anything done like I want to. I've been writing. It hasn't been great. It's stuff that frustrates me more than makes me feel satisfied or fulfilled because I'm just going through the motions. You needed that little kick in the pants to get going. Maybe you do too. What are your goals this year? This isn't a New Year's resolution thing or anything like that. This is a lifetime thing. And I wish I'd have seen it sooner, but I didn't act. I didn't seize the opportunity. Imagine that. I'm not doing that anymore. I'm going to write this book. I'm going to get it published. I'm going to let this other person take off with it. And imagine. This will be a fun one to check. It's January 18th. We'll check it on December 18th and see how I did. 1 year later. Sound like SpongeBob. 3 hours later. Like that. God, I missed that show. There you have it. I'm going to shut this one down soon, right now, because I don't need to drag it out to make it 12 or 15 minutes. You got the message. It's quick. It's an easy, clear-cut, super straightforward message. And I'll say it one more time. Opportunity isn't something that presents itself. It just exists. We have to act. It's waiting. It's right there. Let's go get it. I want you to have a great week. Let's see if I can build on this momentum. I don't want to just work on it. I don't want to just carry it. I want to build on it. One of the ladies at work is on me for taking a day off, but I'm not ready yet. I'll do one in February, I think. There's a big day coming up, and we'll talk about that soon. That's all I got for today. Thanks for listening. Go act. Act on your opportunity. think of the magnitude of what's out there and what you can get, what you can do, what you can do for others. How much fun is this going to be? It's going to be a good year. Even years. Good years, right? I think that's how it goes. It's enough. I hope you have a great week. Thanks for listening. Take care.